Welcome to FX Hunt. For those of us who are new here, welcome to FX Hunt. Here on FX Hunt, we come to the market on daily basis. To be specific, the indices market. We come on daily basis during the Asian section. We analyze the market, break down the market, and then execute entries during the New York section. So for today being the 11th of October, what are we expecting the market to do? But before I proceed, I just want you guys to take note that I'm going to be breaking down two charts today. I'm going to be breaking down Us30 and Nas100. So whatever analysis that's going to be breaking down here during the SR section here, I want you guys to wait for setup to take entries during the New York section. So what are we expecting the market to do here on Us30? Today being the 11th of October. So right now we are in a uptrend. As you can see, you can obviously see that we are in an uptrend here on Us30. So what are we expecting the market to do? So I've already spotted a support level or an area of interest, as some may call it. This is an area of interest. I've already spotted this area of interest, and I'm going to explain why I marked this area as an area of interest. Why did I mark it as an area of interest? First of all, you can see when price got here, you saw how price reacted. Let me take this off. When price got here, you saw the reaction price made here. See the reaction, and price got here and see the reaction. Right? That's why I marked this area as an area of support or an area of interest. Right? So what are we expecting the market to do? I'm also, before I continue, I'm also seeing another zone that you should also take into consideration. This area, I'm also seeing this area. This area also is an area of interest. It's an area of what interest, and I will explain why also. This is an area of what interest. Now you could see the reaction price gave when price got here. Previously, when price got here, you saw the reaction, and when price got here also, you saw the reaction, right? So with all these informations we've gathered, what are we going to be expecting to do in the market? Now let's step down to the 1 hour time frame and see what the market has for us. Okay, now you could clearly see the move here. Now you could clearly see the move. Right? This is a higher high, higher low. You can see higher high, higher low. So after a higher low, we're expecting what? A higher high. We're expecting what? A higher high. But the market is not just going to move up impulsively like that. There are some chart pattern that's going to be shown. There are chart pattern that's going to be displayed, and we have to wait for those patterns, those candlestick confirmation to show before we take any entry in the market. So what are we expecting the market to do, right? So we want to see the market get to this zone. We want to see the market retest this support level or area of interest. Right, give us a confirmation and then we go bullish. That's what we're expecting the market to do. This is what the first thing we're expecting the market to do. If the market does not play out like this, then we wait for a breakout. We wait for what? A breakout, a retest. A breakout, retest, and then we'll go to 15 minutes, look for confirmation, and then go bullish. Right? We take our entries on 15 minutes time frame for those of us who don't know. 15 minutes and 5 minutes time. So this is what we are expecting. We want price to first of all, retest this support area or area of interest. We want price to retest this support area. Right? We want price to retest this support area, giving us a W pattern, a W formation, and then we'll go bullish. Right? If price does not retest, we wait for the breakout, retest, and then we go bullish. So if we are going bullish here, let's see how many pips we will be planning on risking. We are going to be anticipating on risking. Let's position this properly. If we are going bullish here, we should be risking at least a minimum of 100 pips. Right? A minimum of 100 pips. Let me put this properly. Targeting a minimum of 100 pips. Then when price get to 1:1 or 1:2, move your stop loss to break even and trail while you capitalize fully in the movement of the market. Why do I say trail? If price happens to break this resistance level, right? the market will be in an all-time high area. And when the market is in an all-time high area, there is no area of interest where price is likely going to reject from. So for you to be able to capitalize fully in the movement of the market, is preferable that what you trail your stop loss. You trail your stop loss to break even. As it gets to break even, as the market keeps moving upward, you begin to trail your entry, your buy entry, till price happens to reject, and then it takes you out with profit. You understand? So that's what the first move we are expecting. If price does not retest to give us a W pattern here, what is the next thing? If price happens to break out, we'll wait for the breakout, extra confirmation. Same thing here, we'll be risking 100 pips. Exactly as I said before. Then when price get to 1:2, you move your stop loss to break even and begin to trail what? Your stop loss. You understand? You begin to what? To trail your stop loss to capitalize fully the movement of the market. Right, so I think there's a psychological zone here also that I forgot to mention. I think there's a psychological zone here of okay, let's say of 40,400. Let me put the coordinates properly. 40,400, 42,400, 42,400. Yes, exactly. So the psychological zone of 42,400, right? So we also have to take note of this psychological zone. And also I'm seeing a psychological zone here. I think there's also a psychological zone here of 42,600. This psychological zone are very key areas that we cannot neglect. We can't neglect this zone because the big boys also take notes of all this zone. They take notes of this zone so that they can be able to take entries and wait for setups. They wait for setups with this zone in round numbers, round numbers. Right? So we wait for the breakout retest of psychological zone and then we take our entry. So this psychological zone, please take note of them. Take note of them when you are looking to take any entry here on Us30. Take note of them also. So then for Nas100, what are we expecting here on Nas100? Nas100 on the 4 hours time frame. Let's see what Nas100 is doing. On the 4 hours time frame on Nas100, we are still on an uptrend, right? We are still on a very bullish trend. So what are we expecting the market to do? Stepping down to the 1 hour time frame. The 4 hours time frame is where we mark our key zones. For those who don't know, we plot our key areas support and resistance level on the 4 hours time frame. So what are we expecting? Almost same as Us30. We're expecting almost the same thing as Us30 to play out here. We want price to what? To retest here, right? We want price to retest here, give us a confirmation and go bullish. We want price to retest there, give us a confirmation and go bullish. And I also think there's a psychological zone around this area, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, exactly. I think there is. It's happening on 20,200. Let me put the coordinates properly. 20,200. Okay, perfect. 20,000. It's a psychological zone of 20,200, right? If we are entering this setup, we'll be looking to go long, risking how many pips? Let's check this. If you enter this setup, you'll be entering, risking about at most 90 pips, right? At most what? 90 pips. Let me just leave it this way. At most 90 pips, right? Then we'll be targeting our next. Let me go to the 4 hour to show you guys the next area we'll be targeting the price to get to. Now I'm seeing the next area of price reaction I'm seeing here on the 4 hour is this zone. This is where price is likely going to get to before it gives any other reaction. This resistance level, right, is the next zone we'll be targeting. If we are taking an entry here on Nasdaq, that will be the next zone we'll be targeting. If we are going long, we'll be targeting here, which will be 1:2.5 minimum. 1:2.5 if you are taking any entry here. So also, if price does not happen to retest and give us a W pattern with a candlestick confirmation to go bullish, we'll then be looking to what? To take the entry with a breakout. The breakout, right? Retest, and then we go bullish. We then go what? Bullish. So in both ways, we are looking to go bullish. We are looking to go bullish today being the what? The 11th of October. On Nas100, we are looking to go bullish. On Us30, we are looking to go bullish. So I want you guys to wait patiently for this setup. If the market does not give you any entry confirmation on the Us30, you go to the to Nas100 and look for confirmation to go bullish. If the market does not give you any confirmation in both pairs, it's not compulsory or mandatory that you take an entry today. There's still other days you can wait for tomorrow for a setup. So this is what we are expecting today. being the 11th of October on US30 and on Nas100.